Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. When I was first introduced to Levantine cuisine, I immediately loved it. It's so flavorful, colorful, and definitely pleases your taste buds. Like any other cuisine, Levantine also has many sauces to complement the meals. Here's one that I like to pair with my food. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my tahini sauce. Creamy, nutty, and slightly tangy. This is an incredible condiment that pairs amazingly well with many dishes, like falafel, roasted vegetables, or even with hawawshi, which I posted last week. So my friends, let's get cooking.
The first thing we'll do is to blanch our garlic clove. We're doing that because no one likes the bitterness of garlic. So this step is pretty quick. When the water boils, we'll drop the unpeeled clove and set the timer for 5 minutes. Then when time is up, we'll remove from the heat, scoop out the garlic with a small sieve, rinse under cold water to stop the cooking process, and peel it. That's it, we're done. Now let's proceed with the recipe. We'll add our blanched peeled garlic to our mortar along with a 1/4 teaspoon of ground sea salt. And we'll crush the ingredients using the pestle until it turns into a paste. To this, we'll add a tiny amount of freshly squeezed lemon juice and continue mashing until it gets liquid. Just like this. Next, in a mixing bowl, we'll add tahini paste, and please do me a favor. Make it at home and save money by clicking on the top right corner of your screen to see how. We'll also add our garlic mixture and the remaining lemon juice. We'll whisk the ingredients until very well blended, and you'll see the mixture will get thick. Now, a lot of people add water to it. It doesn't have any flavor. I prefer adding cold vegetable broth and whisking constantly. We'll add a tablespoon at a time until the consistency is reached. We're looking for a nice smooth texture. I usually add 2 tablespoons, but you might need a little more depending on how thick your tahini paste is. Another unusual ingredient we'll add is baharat, which is a beautiful spice blend from the Middle East. You can easily find it in a specialty store or online. On the other hand, I'll be showing you how to make it from scratch next year, so stay tuned. So, we'll whisk until well incorporated, and if it's not served right away, we'll transfer it to the fridge until needed. And my friends, this is our creamy tahini sauce. This flavorful condiment can be enjoyed with many Middle Eastern dishes or grilled foods. With just a few ingredients, this beautiful homemade Levantine sauce is quick and easy to make. This is another great recipe to add to your folder. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!